Honda has introduced the production version of the N1e, a compact K-class electric car that proved a hit in concept form and now arrives with a surprising real-world trick vehicle-to-load V2L capability. In plain terms, the little N1 can act as a mobile power bank capable of running household devices during outages or charging small appliances, a neat and increasingly useful feature for city dwellers and rural users alike. Physically, the N1 wears the familiar boxy, high-roof proportions that define many KEI cars, compact length under the strict Japanese standards, upright stance, and small wheels. Those proportions maximize interior space and make the car wildly practical in tight urban environments. Power comes from a single motor rated around 63 horsepower, about 47 kilowatts, which is modest but appropriate for the car's intended urban mission and K-class regulations. Range figures are encouraging for such a small battery pack. The N1 is expected to better the N1's claimed 152 miles, around 245 kilometers, under its measured conditions, which for city commuting and short trips should be more than adequate. DC fast charging capability is present. The N1 accepted up to 50 kilowatts DC fast charging, and given the N1's smaller battery, top-up times are reasonable. Inside, Honda doesn't skimp on usability. Physical buttons, a rotary volume control, and a straightforward layout aim at practicality rather than tech-first complexity. The rear seats fold flat in a 50-50 split, and there are simple touches, a shelf under the touchscreen, and easy-to-use controls that underscore the car's role as a useful daily driver. For V2L functions, Honda will offer a dedicated adapter in its accessory catalog, along with indicator accessories and some cosmetic kits for buyers who want a sportier look. Sales begin in Japan in September, with a European debut expected around the IAA in Munich the same month. Unfortunately for North American fans, Honda has confirmed there are no US plans for the N1, keeping this particular urban utility playcar limited to markets where KEI cars thrive. Still, the concept is notable. A tiny, affordable electric that doubles as a backup power supply is a clever, real-world piece of tech that other automakers will likely watch closely.